Good morning, students. I am B.N. Jha. Welcomes you in the e-learning class of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, in our previous video, we have studied about coal, types of coal, and uses of coal. Today we are going to learn about destructive distillation of coal. This is very important topic in this lesson, and we all must understand how destructive distillation is carried out. My dear students, the process by which coal is strongly heated in absence of air to get useful products like coke, coal tar, ammoniacal liquid and coal gas is called destructive distillation. In this process, coal is strongly heated in absence of air, and coal breaks into four useful products: coal tar, coal gas, ammoniacal liquid and coke. Students, there is a diagram on the board. You can see in this diagram destructive distillation of coal is shown. Here this is a boiling tube. This tube is made of strong glass, and in this tube we take powdered coal, and then after establish the apparatus according to the diagram. This is a conical flask, this is a Bunsen burner, this is a stand, and with the help of these apparatus we adjust the apparatus like the diagram on the board. In this diagram, powdered coal is taken in the boiling tube, and when this powdered coal is strongly heated by the help of Bunsen burner, it breaks down into four important gradients. This is a exit tube set with the rubber cork in the boiling tube. Through this exit tube, coal gas, ammoniacal liquid and coal tar gets collected in conical flask. But since coal gas is a gas, so it will escape through this exit tube and can be collected in a gas jar or in a cylinder. In this conical flask, the lower dark part shows the settlement of coal tar, and the upper part, this dot part is ammoniacal liquid. So in this process, the destructive distillation of coal is done and we obtain, you can write in this way, coal destructive distillation, gives out coke plus coal gas plus coal tar plus ammoniacal liquid. Students, all the four gradients obtained from destructive distillation of coal tar are very important. Let us know a little about them. The first one is coke. Coke is tough, porous and a black substance. Coke contains 95% of carbon. So coke is also called purest form of coal. Coke is used in extraction of metal and it is largely used in iron and steel industry. Second gradient is coal tar. Coal tar is a black, thick liquid with unpleasant smell. Alcatra. So coal tar is a black, thick liquid with unpleasant smell. Coal tar is a mixture of more than 200 compounds, and all these 200 compounds are very useful, but these compounds can be obtained by fractional distillation of coal tar. And after fractional distillation of coal tar, the compound obtained are used in manufacturing of valuable things like dyes, explosive paints, plastic, synthetic fibers and many other things. In this context, coal tar is one of the important gradients obtained from destructive distillation of coal. The third gradient is coal gas. Coal gas is a gaseous fuel. It burns to produce heat and its calorific value is very high. It gives out more heat, and it is because coal gas is considered as an excellent fuel. It is used in industries, factories, and sometimes it can be used at domestic level. The fourth gradient is ammonical liquor. Ammonical liquor settles upon the coal tar in the conical flask. After sedimentation, it is separated and used in production of fertilizers in fertilizer industries. So my dear students, you will try to draw out the diagram and note down every word that I have explained today. Next day we will discuss petroleum. Thank you.